bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the who's? Still running around with my heart, shit ready, packed to go, y'all. People probably think I throw out, I ain't even give it yet. Running up a silly shit, staying off the internet. Share the stage with Billy Eilish, turning any given time. Personal partners couldn't talk cause I got $1 million. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even deep as it used to be, this shit should be violent. Bro ain't got no hustle or nothing, so he gon' stick the violence. I be on a run down, I'm doubting, so I can't speak about it. You know I'm a gangster, you love me, I bring the people about. Can't tell me, you know I'm come true. I'm in a different league, I'm tired of shit I can get done. What you gon' do for me? 40,000 miles up in the air, anytime I get some Z's. Full court press foot on their neck, and I can't let them break. Blessed when the tears come with this check, it ain't nowhere near easy. Had to fall back, you know how that goes, you know he's speaking briefly. Hope I'm not too much to handle. Need a nigga from Atlanta. I spent my last check on Lambo. This is not a regular Lambo. 100,000 could've put down on another Lambo. Don't be in the mix, I built this shit forever, having say so. This shit gon' get serious about my money, this ain't no fucking Play-Doh. Wrote it down for double homicide, I try to tell him lay low. He don't like to drive, but he spin good, I'm on the way to Clayco. And then 47's in the spot before they made the Draco. I'm just trying to ball and live, 100 mil, I'm calling this. I'm the boss, pay all the bills, I'm the good child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here grinding still. I need equity to sign a deal. I'm just trying to ball and live, 100 mil, I'm calling this. I'm the boss, pay all the bills, I'm the good child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here grinding still. I need equity to sign a deal. Over buying cars, I snatched the barbers just for motivation. Shoot out at the spot today, tomorrow we get a new location. Free all other guys, I hope y'all beat the case and get probation. Stashed at my mama's house, 400 bands in the ventilation. Now look how I'm living, I bought a house for the money to stay at. Right when niggas say that, I got soap on the pull up and spray it. Living like a dime, I smoke a blunt in the back, you can make that. Put up like your mama with this switch, why the fuck would you say that? You could do it first, I'ma do it worse, gotta double the payback. Never take it personal, show no mercy, bro, taught me to wait back. I know took it off, I was always taught, don't take hoes when you stay at. Keep a stash house, you can't take nothing to the spot where you lay at. Never be a bother, if you walk me, no problem, just say that. Never run a off, if I owe you, I got you, I pay that. Get this shit my heart, when I'm old, I can chill and just lay back. Really from the bottom, so the trench is where I feel safe at. I'm just trying to ball and live, 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills, I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here grinding still. I need you to sign a deal. I'm just trying to ball and live, 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills, I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here grinding still. I need equity to sign a deal. I done got enough to give us all some, we done beat the game. You owe me for everything, I'ma take it all the way to the grave before I drop a name. You done took a piece of my little heart, so it won't be the same. I done got enough to give us all some, we done beat the game. Yeah, used to be a time when I can't give a thing. Never wanna see you go out bad, I try to give you game. You gon' throw my feelings in the trash and leave it in the rain. I'ma leave my feelings in the past, I won't come back again. Love it when she come and see me and she wear a sundress. I be going stupid and that shit be having dumb sex. She be trying to do it better, turn it to a contest. I be smoking rap weed, I know she be the content. Everything.
Drop your favorite song, nigga. I don't give a fuck. We gon' It's your boy, man. The one and only, your boy Wise, man. We gonna turn this shit the fuck up every single day. No kid. Let's go. We gonna turn this up every day. We gonna work hard. We gonna get to it. We gonna do it. Niggas gotta throw it. We go every day. Niggas gotta chase this. Niggas can't play. Niggas talk too much, man. Let's work. Let's go. Alright, my friend, though, it really is cold out here. Let's go, man. No matter what, yo. We gonna win this shit regardless. I'm gonna take a break with y'all. We gonna win regardless, man. Let's get it. Come on. I just wanna tell everybody that it's not over. You get what I'm saying? I wanna wish everybody the best of luck. I wanna let everybody know that the grind is still there. Do not stop. Do not listen to nobody. Keep going. Whatever it is you wanna do in this world, go and do it. So understand, you have to learn how to video edit. You wanna do it yourself. You want to cut out the middleman. You have to learn how to video edit. You have to learn how to market. You have to learn how to take control of your mind. You have to learn how to understand you as a person. You have to, not turn your phone off, but delete your social media and think for yourself. Stop going on social media and getting other thoughts in your mind, that is negative energy. Because since the positive energy in your mind, you completely understand that all this shit will be there when you get your shit right. Everything that's there right now gonna be there when you get it right. It ain't going nowhere. It's still gonna be in New York City. Still gonna be or whatever. You know what I'm saying? It ain't going nowhere. Go get yourself right, man. Cause what happened is, after 21, God is taxing that ass. And when God taxing that ass, niggas is letting their price go all the way up. Niggas in debt. I was in debt. You know what I'm saying? I started from the bottom. Go check my first video. I'm trying to say, I started from nothing. Son. I can't really hear a person's story and go, yo, man, fucked up. What they did to my son. Nah, it's not fucked up, bro. It's not. We all got choices. We all got options. And the objective is just to go hard, work hard. Don't believe in me. Believe with me. Let's go.